What's going on, ladies and gentlefaces? King Morzoid here, and welcome back to another awesome Minecraft Let's Build. Welcome back to our series, ladies and gentlemen. Last time we left off, I was surviving, and we had to kill all the zombies to clear out this village that we were going to start building our kingdom in. And there's still a zombie horse there. Hello, horsey. Hello. It just waggled its tail. See? Animals love me. Even the dead ones. But anyway, so I actually started recording yesterday. I wanted to upload an episode where I actually started renovating one of the houses and also renovating the old bar/restaurant. So I fixed it up. I fixed this road here, as you guys can see. But unfortunately, for some reason, my screen didn't record. Ain't that lovely? So what I'm going to be doing right here today is you guys are just going to watch me fix up a few things, and then we're going to be renovating and literally decorating this blacksmith, and I'm going to show you guys how you can go to any village in Minecraft and make the blacksmith look a lot better. So yeah, let's start by fixing up this well. Alrighty then, so as you guys can see, there is our well. I think it looks a lot better than it did. It looks pretty freaking cool. We can maybe do some extra things to it a little later on, but for now, I think that looks pretty cool. Now also, the other roads, we're going to fix the roads like the ones that go that way. We're going to fix that later on, and we're going to fix that building later on. Don't worry about that right now. What we need to do right now is we're going to first just take out these vines, and we're going to fix up our blacksmith right now. So I'm going to be removing everything that's in here. Okay. And yeah, so we're going to start to fix this place up.